Yes, hi. My name is Mr. Koff. I will be your teacher today. Now, on this board, everybody has to write everything what they think about pollution.
If I don't want to.
Well, you're gonna have to go to the principal.
Okay.
Now, according to this psychological collusion, today is a day you will be learning about you.
I don't like me.
Well, get used to it, because if you don't, you're going to the principals.
What?
Silence, as a teacher has spoken. Now, put on those glasses,
No.
for you will be suspended if you don't.
What?
Now, on they go. Cheerio.
No.
Suspended. Get the heck out of here.
Bye-bye.
Don't come back. I have just suspended a student. Apparently he did not want to put those goggles on. He did not want to write about pollution. And that's me, Mr. Koff.